Canada to launch new permanent residency program in 2025 for skilled refugees. Yes, Canada is planning to launch a new program in 2025 that will offer permanent residency to skilled refugees and displaced people. This new program will build on the success of an older program called the Economic Mobility Pathway Pilot, which was started in 2018. The announcement was made by Immigration, Refugee and Citizen of Canada, which is RCC, as part of its plan for 2025 and 2026. The government-led Mark Carney said that the new program will start before the current EMPP ends, which is ending on the 31st of December 2025. However, they haven't shared the full details yet, like who will be eligible and how the new system will work. Since EMPP began in 2018, nearly 970 refugees have already moved to Canada and settled there using the pathway, according to the official data available till March 2025. More immigration plans from Canada 2025-2026. Canada is also working on many other changes to make immigration easier and faster for skilled workers, students, and families. Canada is set to introduce several major changes to its immigration policies under this plan, making it easier for foreign workers, international students, and families to build a future in the country. One of the new steps include creating a delicate work permit system for the people working in agriculture and fish processing industries. This will help employees in these sectors bring foreign labor more easily while offering a job opportunity to migrants seeking stable employment in Canada. This will also help employers in these sectors bring the foreign labor very easily. There is an encouraging news for international students, especially for those from India. The Canadian government plans to update the eligibility rules for post-graduation work permits, which is PGWPS. This will allow students to gain work experience in Canada after finishing their studies. These updates will likely include revised requirements for the fields of study that qualify for the permit, giving more students a chance to stay and work in Canada. In addition, Canada may soon change the eligibility criteria for spouse open work permits, which is SOWPS. These permits currently allow the spouses of foreign workers and international students to work in the country while their partners are working or studying. Although the exact details are still pending, the changes are expected to impact many families planning to settle in Canada. The government also remains committed to granting permanent residency to people working in high-demand sectors such as healthcare, skilled trades, education, security, and French-speaking applicants. These applicants will be selected through the express entry system under a category-based selection approach. At the same time, Canada aims to convert more temporary residents into PR, which is a goal of having at least 40% of permanent residency approvals come from those already living in country. Lastly, Canada plans to speed up the process of family sponsorship application, especially for family members living outside the country, in an effort to reunite the loved ones faster. India remains the top source of temporary residents in Canada. In the first 3 months of 2025, Canada approved more than 80,000 applications of study, work and visitor visas. Out of these, India made up 382,000 approvals, almost 46 of the total. Most of them were students and skilled workers, especially in the technology and healthcare fields. This shows how important Indian immigrants are for Canada's growing economy and workplace. So if you're applying for work visa or spouse visa, you can go ahead. Hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to subscribe our channel for more such updates. Thanks for watching.